And once the camera connects successfully and the live feed appears in the app, your Qubo camera is back online and working properly. Most Wi-Fi connection issues with the Qubo camera are caused by network compatibility, weak signal strength, or outdated app versions. If the issue still continues, make sure your Qubo app is fully updated. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for the Qubo app, and tap Update if available. On iOS, open the App Store, search for Qubo, and tap Update. Using the latest version ensures better compatibility and fewer connection errors. Before that, confirm proper setup conditions. Use a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 2 megabits per second speed. If you're using a mobile hotspot, make sure it comes from a different device than the one running the Qubo app, as using the same device can interrupt the setup process. Another effective fix is resetting the camera. Locate the reset button, usually found on the left side of the device, and press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the camera resets to factory settings. After resetting, try setting up the camera again from scratch. You should also check Wi-Fi signal strength. Place the camera within 10 meters of your router with minimal obstructions. You can verify signal strength inside the Qubo app by going to Camera Settings and then Wi-Fi Settings. Most importantly, verify Wi-Fi compatibility. Qubo cameras only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks and will not connect to 5 GHz networks. Make sure your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz signal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to fix Qubo camera not connecting to Wi-Fi step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Thanks for watching.